In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to reinstall your current version of Windows. Reinstalling your current version of Windows can help improve system performance by removing unnecessary files, malware, and software conflicts that accumulate over time, hence resolving persistent software errors and restore system stability. To do this, simply click onto the Windows icon and head to Settings. On the Settings page, select System. You will want to navigate onto the option of Recovery. On this page, you will see this option of Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now. Make sure your PC is on and connected to internet and a power source. Proceed by checking on this option of Automatically Restart My PC 15 minutes after installation. Click on OK to start the Windows reinstallation process. A fresh installation ensures that you're working with a clean, optimized operating system, which can enhance speed, security, and overall performance, giving your PC a fresh start without upgrading hardware. That's how easy it is to reinstall current version of Windows on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.